Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Salesforce FAQs. And today in this video, I will explain how to create account contact relationship in bulk. So in this video, we are going to see how you can relate multiple accounts to the multiple contact records in Salesforce. So in this process, I am going to use the Salesforce data loader tool. And in my previous video, I have explained how you can enable the settings of relating a single contact record to multiple contacts. So if you haven't watched that video, then please go through that video. I will also mention the video link in the description. So let's come back to this part, like how we can create account contact relationship in bulk. So in this process, I'm going to create a CSV file, and using the data loader tool, I am going to relate multiple contacts to the multiple accounts. So first let me show you the manual process of relating multiple account to a contact. Then I will show you the process of relating multiple account to contacts using the Salesforce data loader tool. So data loader is a third party application that you need to install in your Windows. And if you haven't installed the data loader, then for that also I will give a video link in the description from where you can see how you can download the data loader in your system. So let's move ahead and see the process. So as of now, I have logged into my Salesforce developer org, and from here I will navigate to the contacts tab. And so for that I will click on the app launcher and search and select contacts. And here I am having the contact scene forms. And here at the top you will see the option related account. So this will only visible to the record page of the contact when you will enable the settings of relating multiple accounts to a contact. So now to add an account in this contact, I have to click on the button add a relationship, and from here I can select an account, and also I can provide a role to the selected account, and then I have to click on the save button. So this was the manual process of relating accounts to the contact records. So to add multiple accounts to the multiple contacts, we are going to use the Salesforce data loader tool. So here I will open my data loader, and this is the UI of data loader. Here you will see the buttons insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete, hard delete, export and export all. And when we use the data loader tool to perform any data operation like insert, update, delete or upsert, we need to prepare a CSV file. So here I've already prepared a CSV file with the header columns, contact ID, account ID, role, and also you can add a column like is primary. So that account will be primary for that particular contact. And in the role column, you can add the role for the account that is going to relate to the contact. So these are the header columns that are required. And in the contact ID, you have to enter the IDs of the contact. And adjacent to those contact ID, you have to enter the account ID that are going to relate to the contact that is entered on the left side. For example, I can use the same contact, and to relate the same contact to the different accounts, I need the IDs of those accounts here. So the one way to get the account ID is going to the accounts tab and opening that particular account, and in the URL you will see the digit starting from 00. So this is from where you can get the account ID. But here we need the account ID of multiple accounts. So for that I will run a data export operation. So for that I will click on the button export, and here select checkbox show all Salesforce objects, and then select the account object. And here you have to name the extract CSV file. So I will name it as account ID extract, and then click next. And here the most important field that we need here is the account ID. So I will select the account ID, and for the reference I will select account name. And after selecting this two field, I will click on button and then click yes to proceed. So as you can see, the export data operation is started. And here I will click on the button view extraction, and here click on the button open in external program. So here I've got the IDs of the account along with their name. So this is the file. So these are the records, account name with the account IDs. So here I will copy the account IDs, and then I will go back to the CSV file, and here I will paste the account IDs. And also I need the contact ID. So for contacts, I will get it manually from the contacts tab. So this is the contact ID. I will copy from here. So as of now, I have prepared my CSV file, and in this process, I have taken a small number of records. But you can take multiple contacts and the multiple account IDs because the Salesforce data loader is capable of handling the bulk data process. And now I will save the CSV file, and make sure that you save this CSV file from where it can be accessed to the data loader, and also ensure that you save this file in the .csv version because Salesforce data loader only takes CSV version files. So here again I will open the data loader tool, and here I will close the previous data operations, and this time we are going to perform the data insert operation. So I will click on the insert button, and here I will click on the checkbox show all Salesforce object, and then we will select account contact relationship. So here is the object account contact relationship, and after this we will browse the CSV file that we have created right now. So the CSV file is test contact CSV that I have created, and after this we will click on the next button, and here click OK to proceed. Here click next. Now in the mapping dialog window we have to map the CSV header column with the Salesforce object field names. For that, click on the button create or edit a map, and here in the mapping dialog window click on the button auto match field to the columns. And if any of the field is not auto-matched, then you have to drag down the Salesforce object field down to the column mapping. And after mapping, click on the OK button and then click Next. And at last, click on the Finish button. And here click Yes to proceed. So now the data operation is started, and you will see the success and errors that are occurred during the data operation. So here we can see we got 6 successful insert and 0 errors. That means we have successfully inserted and related the context to the accounts to the context. So here I will click on the button view successes, and here in the data loader CSV viewer you can see the status is item created. That means the accounts are successfully related to the context that we have selected. And let me show you in the UI of the context tab. So this is the Rose Gonzalez, and we have added 3 accounts to this context. So I will click on this contact record, and in the related account you can see these are the accounts that we have added right now using the Salesforce data loader tool. As you can see, the roles that we have defined was Western sales team. So this was not added direct, so the direct checkbox is not selected for these records. So this is how you can relate multiple account to the multiple contacts in Salesforce using the Salesforce data loader tool. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving me time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.